transfer tubes were damaged during shipping. Part of the problem of buying something cheap online, they don't package it well, so I had to buy replacement transfer tubes from Rock Auto, about 30 bucks. But the seller on eBay reimbursed me because he packaged it poorly, so I guess it's all right then. So here's my bushing, passenger side bushing. Somebody had repaired this on this truck previously. This truck was just given to me for free a couple weeks ago because the guy did not want to deal with this repair. He just got a new truck. So this was completely ripped off the frame, and it took some of the cross member steel with it. We had to clean it up. The stud is supposed to be on the bottom. On this, somehow it's on the top. I don't see any welds. That's the top. The stud's supposed to be on the bottom, nut and bolt on the top. So now I go buy a grade 8 coarse thread flange bolt. I'm gonna put a couple tacks here and here. We should be good to go. Anyways, I didn't take any video of what the ripped frame looked like, the cross member where it tore loose, but I got a picture. I'll put it as a thumbnail on when I make this video for YouTube.
Why you wear gloves, you dummy? I just burned the shit out of my hand. That's right. Where's the brush? It ain't going nowhere. It's got so much weld on it now. Let her cool down and we'll put her back together. I'm glad when we get this thing hooked up to 220. It'll.
Yeah, it is to the right, but it's okay.
Yeah. Well, tilt your camera to the right.
Yeah. The rack is slightly low on the passenger side, on the right side, but I don't think it's gonna cause a problem. And if it does, if it breaks, we'll just weld it again. I still have to replace those lines. They got bent during shipping, but Anyways, it's a free truck. Somebody gave me this truck for free, and it's just going to be a beater, farm truck, whatever. Have fun with it. The engine and transmission are perfect still. 214,000 miles, and it was a gift. So far I got about 300 bucks in it in parts. The brake pads are shot on this side really bad. Anyways, hopefully tomorrow she'll be driving.